Today, we're diving into an epic showdown in the ultra high performance tire segment. It's the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S versus the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo Z K129. Let's see which tire comes out on top. First up, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Launched in 2017, it's been a benchmark for performance, known for its exceptional grip, handling, and longevity. On the other hand, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo Z K129, introduced in 2020, brings fresh competition with cutting-edge technology and design. In the dry performance category, handling is paramount. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S stops in 37.8 meters from 100 kilometers per hour, outperforming the Hankook stopping distance of 39.7 meters. That's a critical 1.9 meter difference in high-speed scenarios. For dry handling, the Michelin also excels, achieving an average speed of 109.9 kilometers per hour compared to the Hankook's 106.6. This 3.3 kilometers per hour advantage underscores its dominance on dry surfaces. When it comes to wet performance, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo Z K129 generally outperforms the Michelin in key areas. The Hankook stops in 50.2 meters from 100 kilometers per hour, 3.2 meters shorter than the Michelin. However, in wet handling, the Michelin slightly edges out the Hankook with an average speed of 76.6 kilometers per hour versus 76.1. In the wet circle test, the Michelin completes the lap in 11.14 seconds, faster than the Hankook's 11.56 seconds, but for straight-line aquaplaning resistance, the Hankook shines with a slipping speed of 99.5 kilometers per hour, surpassing the Michelin's 94.4. In terms of exterior noise, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is noticeably quieter, producing 71.2 decibels compared to the Hankook value of 72.8 decibels. This means a quieter, more comfortable ride. For rolling resistance, the Michelin outperforms the Hankook with a lower rolling resistance coefficient of 8.11 versus 8.55. This translates to better fuel efficiency and less energy loss. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S excels in dry performance, noise, and rolling resistance. Meanwhile, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo Z K129 shines in wet braking and aquaplaning resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.